Sometimes you need to create running total. The most versatile solution I know for this problem is using sum function and dynamic range. So from B2 to B2. But the most important part of this range is that we have to lock F4 one part of this range. So when we copy our formula down, the 1B2 cell will always refer to B2 cell, but the other one will go down just like we drag our formula. So just like that, we have range that will expand when we drag it down. And it's the most versatile solution. This solution has problems in Excel tables. So when we sum from this case from F2 to F2 cells, F4 to lock it, now everything looks okay. But when we add new data to our table, because the last cell of the table refer to the whole column, expand when we add some more data. So we have to modify our solution, our range, and instead of F2 cell, we can use table nomenclature. So just click the F2 cell in our case, and Excel will refer this table row. At symbol means this table row, and income means the column we are referring to. And just like that, when we override all cells, we have proper result. Let's check. We are at one row, the results are correct, and let's add 2 rows, and results are still correct. The only drawback of this formula is that we won't see the whole range. Excel won't select whole range. So in the last row, it should be select whole column, but Excel just select first column and last column, and we won't see it, but Excel will see proper range, so we have proper result. You have to just remember that Excel will create here proper reference, and we can create proper running total even in Excel tables.